Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is Domino's Pizza. I love the taste and service there. Where is it located? It is near my house, about 10 minutes away. The location is very convenient. What do you like to eat there? I usually eat cheese pizza and garlic bread. They are very delicious. How often do you go there? I go there once or twice a month. It's my treat place for weekends. Who do you go with? I usually go with my friends or family. We have fun and talk a lot while eating. Why do you like this restaurant? Because the food is always fresh and tasty. The staff is also polite. What is the price range of the restaurant? It's not very expensive. The prices are reasonable for good food. Do you prefer eating in or takeaway? I prefer eating in because I enjoy the atmosphere. It's clean and comfortable. Do you try new dishes there? Yes, sometimes I try new pizzas or desserts. I like exploring different flavors. Would you recommend it to others? Yes, I always recommend it. Everyone should try it once. Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.